New shingles vaccine is said to be so effective and so sought after, it's become so incredibly difficult to find in stock in Western Mass and across the country. Beth Ward is here now with more on why there's such a shortage of the vaccine. Hi, Beth.
Hey, Jeff, a lot of people looking for this vaccine and talking about it. The shingles vaccine is approved for anyone above the age of 50. Now, the old vaccine was for 60 and above. Plus, as you mentioned, it is proven to be much more effective than the old one. But good luck trying to find it.
I've never seen so many people come in wanting a vaccine and more excited about one.
Longmeadow Big Y pharmacist Stephanie Cloutier is talking about the new Shingrix shingles vaccine.
We've had a very high demand of people coming in. Do you have the Shingrix?
Big Y, one of the few places Western Mass News was able to find that has Shingrix in stock. FDA approved late last year, Cloutier tells Western Mass News. It did not hit pharmacies in Western Mass until this spring. Since then, drug maker GlaxoSmithKline says it did not anticipate such high demand.
There is unfortunately a manufacturer back order, but Big Y as a company, we are doing our best to keep it in stock in order to meet our patients' demands.
Demand, she says, so high because shingles, a reactivation of the same virus that causes chickenpox, can be so painful.
I think everybody knows someone with shingles or who has had shingles, and they've seen the pain that they've gone through, so they definitely want to avoid that.
Reasons why there's a shortage, according to the CDC, the old vaccine was 60% effective, Shingrix 90%. Now that it's approved for those 50 and over instead of 60 and up.
Now you got people 10 years younger coming in, so we have a whole new group of patients coming in wanting the vaccine too.
The shot administered differently than the last.
It's a 2-dose series instead of 1, so you get your first dose and then you get the second dose 2 to 6 months afterwards.
Cloutier says despite the shortage, if you get the first shot, at least here, the second is put on reserve for that patient when a shipment does come in within that 2 to 6 month window.
Now, the maker of Shingrix says symptoms include pain at the injection site and, although rare, tiredness, headache, shivering, fever, and upset stomach. As for supply, keeping up with demand, the CDC says expect shipping delays at least until the end of this year. In the studio, Beth Ward, Western Mass News.